So students, now let us see what are the tips given to us. The various properties of multiplication help us to make the calculation simpler. Most of the case we will find the distributive properties being used to make the calculation simpler. Suppose if you have got the number 18 multiplied by 102. Now this number 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Now as we know that 18 will get multiplied to both these numbers. So it will be 18 into 100 plus 18 into 2. So if you have such a calculation, you can simply that is add 1800 plus 18 into 2, which comes out to be 36. You get the answer. Similarly, 18 into 98, which can be written as 18 into 100 minus 2, because 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. It is 2 less than 100. Again, 18 will be multiplied by both the numbers. So at this time 1800 minus, this comes out to be 18 into 2, which is 36. Subtract it and you get the answer. Similarly, in the B part, if you see, minus 25 into 49 into 4. This can be written as, here we have to do the rearrangement. That means if you multiply 25 into 49, that will be quite a big calculation for you. Instead of that, if you multiply minus 25 into 4, because in any order we can calculate, because associative property says that whatever order you multiply, you will always be getting the same result. So you multiply minus 25 into 4, which comes out to be minus 100, and minus 100 into 49 comes out to be minus 4900 or 4900. Now we come to the exercise 1.3. Here question number 1, verify the following. In the case of verification, we have got the two part. This is said to be my left hand side and this is said to be my right hand side. So we will solve the left hand side first of all. To solve the left hand side, we will have to add these two numbers, that is 9 and minus 2. This results comes out to be 7, and 12 7 the whatever the results, it comes out to be 104. Similarly here also 12 9 the you have to calculate, and then 12 into 2, which comes out to be minus 24, and you calculate. From both the case the results comes out to be same, and you have to tell that the results comes out to be same. Like this you have to do all these parts and do it in your classwork copy, all the 4 parts. Question number 2, find the product using the suitable property of multiplication. As in this case, you have to select the number, as we have you can see here the plus sign here, and on the left hand side and right hand side you have to select a number which is common in both the case. So here you can see here this minus 48 is here existing here, again here minus 48 is existing here. So I will take out minus 48 common, and what is will be coming inside the bracket apart from left out of minus 48. The numbers are 37 and in between sign is plus, and 63, which comes out to be 100, and minus 48 into 100 comes out to be minus 4800. The B part, here minus 48 into 102. As you have seen in the tip part, in the tips we have done one such question. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 here. Same thing we will apply here. This will be 102 will be written 100 plus 2, and minus 48 into 100 plus minus 48 into 2. You calculate both of them and add it, you will get the result. Similarly, you have to do up till the G part. In the question number 3, we have to find the product each of the following in the 2 different ways. One method is that simply you need to multiply. In another method, you have to break any one of the number. That means either you write minus 40 as minus 30 plus 10, or you write minus 23 as minus 20 plus 3, minus 20 minus 3, and then you solve it, and using the distributive property you have to calculate. Like this you complete up till question number 3.